BMW Group's joint venture in China, BMW Brilliance Automotive Limited, will invest 10 billion yuan into a new battery production project in northeast China's Liaoning province. The signing ceremony of the project was held Friday in Shenyang, the capital of Liaoning. The signed agreement will see BBA expand battery production capacity at its Shenyang production base. Franz ڈیکر, president and CEO of BBA, noted that the company has full confidence in the Chinese market and the investment is a crucial next step in the BMW e-mobility strategy in China.
We at BMW believe in cooperation and in win-win partnerships. If you just look at this year, we rolled out our iFactory strategy. We did 2 major extensions for our plants. More or less, we doubled our capacity. With today's signing ceremony, BMW Brilliance will invest in another 10 billion RMB for the extension of our high-voltage battery production here in Shenyang. With this, we show how confident we are in the Chinese market. And with this investment, we will be able to deliver to our customers on growing demand for our electric cars. With this, we will be ready for the future, and we show again we are at home in China. We at BMW have full confidence in the Chinese market.
The new investment follows a phase of extensive upgrading at the BMW production base in Shenyang, including the 15 billion yuan plant opening in June. Shenyang is BMW Group's largest production base worldwide. The total number of the group's employees in China has exceeded 28,000.